What's up, boys? We got a FREESKY bike here. I'm about to unbox. Let's do it. I opened it a little bit, but it's alright. Come here. So this is how it comes. It's pretty well packed, except here. Maybe you should have did something better, but I opened up the box a little bit too. This is the main kit. Let's see what's in here first. So we got our pedals that we gotta put on. They feel metal. We got a charger, a 48-volt charger. Then we got our front wheel spoke. Then we got, comes with a chain, and it's actually a real chain, so that's good. And then we got a little kit. We got tools and a manual. We might need this. Alright, let's get this bad boy out. So this bike is 1,000 watt and it peaks out 1,600 watt. It goes 35 miles an hour and has a range of 45 to 90 miles. But I mean, we'll see how that goes. Got the wheel, baby. So it comes with mud flaps, one for the front wheel, one for the back wheel you can put on. Alright, so I flipped the box up, but we're about to get it out. Here we go. I mean, this thing looks nice. Alright, so I unpacked it. I'm sweating, but we good. So here it is. Here's the reveal. It looks huge. It looks actually the wheels are not what I expected. They're pretty big. Got a nice headlamp. This thing it looks dope. So all we gotta do is just assemble the tire, headlamp, steering wheel, and put on the pedals, and we're good to go. Alright, there we go. So we just got 4 screws here. We just gotta take out. This thing looks very well made. Everything is solid on it. Can't wait to ride it, so let's see. The right way. Got a nice LCD screen here. A bunch of wires here. Disconnect if you want. So you gotta just put back the 4 screws. Pretty simple. Alright, so I finally got the 4 screws. It was a lot of work. So there's 4 screws you line up in the middle of the steering wheel. I forgot to put this LCD screen in the middle, so that's what I did. I'm going to tighten that right now because it's not tightened. Put that in the middle, so don't make my mistake. Make it nice and tight. Alright, next up we got the front wheel. I'm gonna take off this thing. I'm gonna put my headlight out the way. Actually, take this out. We don't need that. Go. Not the brake disc. Okay, let's do this. These are beefy tires. These are 26x4. Put this on first, and then we can here we go. Okay. Alright boys, so I put on the tire. It is pretty simple, just put the thing in and put it in the fork and voila, we got it. And this thing looks beefy. So next up I'm going to put the light on. This screw. Okay, I'm gonna get it tightened. Here we go. Look at this thing. So this lamp is 600 lumens. Alright, next up is this beautiful seat by FREESKY. We got FREESKY everywhere. Bang. Next up is the wheels, the pedals. Let's do that. The pedal should be simple. This is the right pedal. You look for the right pedal. Okay, so it says the R is for right pedal right here. And this one says left for left one. There it goes. There goes the right one. That's the left one. Alright, so we're done with the pedals. They're pretty simple as well. We're back. It was a half an hour wrench session that we did. And so here it is. We got the BAFANG motor. We got hydraulic brakes on the back. We got full suspension. We got some nice pedals. We got the FREESKY seat, which is nice and comfortable. And we got charging port right here. You can charge her up here, or you can just pop the battery out and charge it here. And you can take this battery out if you want, but we will do that. First we got the throttle. This goes up to 20 miles an hour constantly, so there's no speed limit on that restriction. Then we got our controller here, up and down, your headlight button and the information button. And then for the pedal assist, we just go up and down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got the headlight, and then the information button is here. Then we got the gear shifter, and we got some hydraulic brakes here. And in the front, we got the beautiful headlight, 600 lumens. About to flash your life in front of you. There we go. Check out my link in the bio if you want a special discount from Amazon. Click that. And for my next video, I'm gonna hook up the speed controller, which unlocks the full potential of my throttle, because there's a speed limit control right now for 20 miles an hour. This should be at least 40 miles an hour. So let's check it out.